Okay, going back to security, a lot of small-based businesses and even your medium-sized businesses forget or they don't have the money to buy the equipment to back up their data. So does Zscaler have something in your system that automatically backs up their information, or is that still done by the small business owners?
What we provide is of course, is centralized data computing. We provide total backup.
Nice.
And we provide total backup, and we store data for customer. We also have offsite store, and we have also redundancy data, live redundant. We call RAID storage system. So all of the data backup, the owners are worry-free.
Nice.
All they have to do is just pay monthly subscription with no upfront investment. They just run business by subscribe, like the way you use your cell phone today.
Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, so when someone has said, okay, John, I want to use your software, your system, all your products, is there a downtime in installing all of this? Will the business have to be down in order for you to get their computers and everything up and running with what you've got to offer?
Good question. We have done this for a long time, so we have the methodology, the procedure that when the customer sign up to go online with us, of course they continue to run business on their own current server that they have until we get all of the data migration into our system, and then by 1 in the morning when they're ready, that we can get them on training for a short training, and they can go online and operate their business continue from that point.
Okay, so you do offer the training of how to use it for the employees?
Yes. We do the setup, and we provide a training. We do most of the training we will do for them on our sandbox. We set up we have a training server, so we train them on that, and then when they're ready, when the data is ready to go, and then we tell them to go online.
That's great. Now, what if one of your customers has some kind of challenge or problem with the system? Can they call Zscaler 24/7 for help, or how does this work?
Yes, we have the 24/7 support team, and we also always have help online, constantly 24/7. So any given time, if they run into some trouble, right at that moment, they can click for help, and then we also help online can be available to them.
That's great. Now, what if a business currently uses QuickBooks for all their accounting? Do they give that up when they go with Zscaler, or is that incorporated into the system, or how does that work?
Yes, we have several customers that came to us from QuickBooks. When they outgrow QuickBooks, the Zscaler solution is the next step for them. And when they migrate to run in our system, they no longer need to enter data into QuickBooks. We not just provide the QuickBooks accounting equivalent, but we also provide many other features that QuickBooks doesn't have, or many other software on the market today doesn't have.
That's great. Now, when they're invoicing, say, from Zscaler's version of QuickBooks, and they're invoicing a customer, can they customize their invoice so it looks like their company logo, has their address, all their contact information, or is it just a generic look?
No, we can customize it for them, or we have something called application administration. The user can go in and customize their own look and feel. They can upload their logo. They can do all sort of things for their business. And we also help them initially to customize it for them.
Well, that's good. Okay. How is this difficult to learn your system, or is it pretty much within a couple of days most people understand how to use it, or how difficult?
We so far we have some customers that with us for 2 years. We didn't even receive a service call from them.
Wow!
Can you imagine? But they
congratulations.
Thank you. They are from far away. They from LA, Santa Barbara, Florida. We have some company in Florida when the hurricane came to town, and they relocate into Atlanta and other place, and they just go right to the hotel or motel, and with their laptop they continue to operate their business, because this is business anywhere, anytime. You don't need to be in your office.